Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Then click on App Clone and click on the gray sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then wait, and when it's ready, tap on Home button. As you can see, when I go back, my Netflix app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on No Blue Sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!